Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
This video is about attaching the parachute to the bottom part of the rocket. What's critical about this is we want the rocket to land totally vertically so that it's not coming down horizontally and landing on a fin, because it's going to bust off a fin. Now the chute is pretty big. It's a large chute. It's probably way overkill for this size rocket and the weight of the rocket, but we want it to come down slow to try to minimize the damage to the fins. So our first part is to find the middle of the shock cord up here, because that's where we're going to attach the parachute. So adjust the lengths so that you get it so that it comes down, or it's perfectly straight up and down. It doesn't land on any one fin. So once you find that spot, you can take and put a overhand knot in there. Don't pull it tight quite yet. So let's double check, make sure when you're holding the top of the knot, it's still vertical. And then if it is, then cinch down on the knot. Okay, so now this is the loop that I'm going to attach the parachute. So as before, get all your lines nice and straight and even, open them up, and we're going to take that loop and pass it through there. And then we're going to take the apex of the chute and then pass it through this loop and then pull tight. Okay, I always double check before I pull. Okay, and then you can take a piece of tape like we did on the upper part, and you can just wrap it around these shroud lines to make sure that they don't move on you. All right, and then when you're ready for flight, of course you're going to put in your wadding inside, and then you're going to take your parachute and you're going to fold it like a normal parachute. Okay, I'm going to do a zigzag fold on it, and then I'm going to wrap the shroud lines around it. Now I roll instead of wrapping, because if you roll, you can keep your lines nice and straight. Okay, like that, and then it's putting it inside. Now normally what I would do is I would put in the upper stage chute first so that it's on the bottom, and then this one, so that when the top comes off, its chute kind of acts as to pull this one out, so that this one comes out and then it can unwind and deploy. So I never want to go wrap the shock cord up like this. I want to put that just inside. Okay, there's plenty of room in there for both parachutes. So that is attaching the parachute to the bottom of the rocket.